Topic is today we will do essays from essay number 7 to essay number 9, class 10, subject English. Essay number 7 is a visit to historical place, तारीख़ी मकाम की सैर या तफरीह के लिए जाना. During the last summer vacation, I went to Lahore and stayed with my uncle for a week. During the last summer vacation, गर्मी की छुट्टियों में, I went to Lahore, मैं लाहौर गई and stayed with my uncle for a week, और मैं अपने अंकल के घर एक हफ्ते के लिए रुकी. During this day, इस दौरान I visit my historical, इस क़याम के दौरान I visited my many historical places of Karachi. इस क़याम के दौरान मैं कराची के बहुत सारे तारीख़ी मकामात पर गई, तारीख़ी मकामात की सैर की. But the visit to बादशाही मॉस्क was the most interesting. लेकिन बादशाही मॉस्क ज़्यादा दिलचस्पी का बाइस था. The बादशाही मॉस्क is one of the largest mosques in the world. It is biggest mosque in Pakistan. So, Badshahi Mosque is the biggest mosque in Pakistan. It was built by Aurangzeb, the great Mughal emperor. The great Mughal emperor एक बहुत बड़ा मुग़ल हुक्मरान. It has spread over a vast area. About 1 lakh people can say their prayers here. बादशाही मस्जिद इतनी बड़ी है कि इट हैज़ स्प्रेड ओवर अ वास्ट एरिया, बहुत वसी रकबे पर फैली हुई है. तकरीबन 1 लाख नमाजी यहाँ पर नमाज़ पढ़ सकते हैं. द बिल्डिंग इज़ मेड ऑफ वाइट एंड रेड मार्बल्स. When I entered the mosque through the main gate, I saw a big courtyard. Courtyard means sahan. In the middle of the courtyard, there is a beautiful fountain. ब्यूटिफुल फाउंटेन एक खूबसूरत फवारा है सहन के बीच में. देयर आर 4 बिग माइनारेट्स इन द कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द बिल्डिंग ऑफ द मॉस्क. इसके 4 बड़े मीनार हैं इन द कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द बिल्डिंग ऑफ मस्जिद के इमारत के कोनों पर 4 बड़े मीनार हैं. They are red like the outer parts. They are red. The color of these minarets are red, just like the whole building of Badshahi Mosque is red from the outer side. By climbing on one of them, the whole city of Lahore can be seen. By climbing one of the minarets, किसी एक मीनार पर भी जब आप चढ़ जाते हैं, you can see the whole city of Lahore. The prayer hall is very impressive. The prayer hall, नमाज पढ़ने वाली जगह, नमाज पढ़ने वाला हॉल is very impressive, बहुत ज़्यादा दिलनशीन है. The walls and ceilings are made of very precious stones. The walls, दीवारें, and ceiling, छतें बहुत ही कीमती पत्थरों से बनी हुई हैं. There are the verses of the Holy Quran on them. और इन दीवारों और छतों के ऊपर कुरान पाक की आयात दर्ज हैं. वर्सेस आयात. देयर इज़ अ स्मॉल म्यूज़ियम अटैच्ड टू द मॉस्क. मस्जिद के करीब एक छोटा सा अजायब घर भी है. आई सॉ मैनी स्ट्रेंज एंड वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स देयर. मैनी स्ट्रेंज अनोखी, वैल्यूएबल काबिल कदर, कीमती. आई सॉ अ होली हेयर फ्रॉम द beard of our holy prophet सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, पीस बी अपॉन हिम. मैंने वहाँ पर रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की दाढ़ी का मुबारक बाल भी देखा, होली मुबारक. There was also a stone containing the footmark of the Prophet सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. वहाँ पर एक ऐसा पत्थर भी था जिस पर रसूल पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के पाँव मुबारक का निशान कंदा था. In short, Badshahi Mosque is a profound work of skill and art. Badshahi Mosque is a profound means great depth of work, of skill and art. I was very happy to see this fine mosque. मैं इस बेहतरीन फाइन एक्सीलेंट मॉस्क को देखकर बहुत ज़्यादा, मस्जिद को देखकर बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हुई. Now coming to essay number 8. A football match. फुटबॉल का एक मैच. A few days ago, I had a chance to see a football match played at Islamia College ground, Peshawar. A few days ago, कुछ दिन पहले, I had a chance, मुझे मौका मिला, to see a football match, एक फुटबॉल मैच देखूँ, प्लेड एट इस्लामिया कॉलेज ग्राउंड पेशावर, जो कि इस्लामिया कॉलेज के मैदान में पेशावर में खेला गया. द मैच वॉज प्लेड बिटवीन जमखाना Club Peshawar and Afghan Club Chaman. So it is the name of teams which are playing opposite to each other. The match started at 5 p.m. In the first few minutes, the Jamkhana Club dominated. The Jamkhana Club dominated means the Jamkhana Club ruled. Rule means they were ruling the ground. They were playing very finely. Ghafoor and Ali made 2 attacks but failed to score a goal. गफूर और अली ने 2 दफ़ा अटैक किया लेकिन वो स्कोर करने में नाकाम हुए. आफ्टर 10 minutes, नौशाद द कैप्टन ऑफ द चमन टीम गॉट द बॉल फिर 10 मिनट बाद नौशाद के पास चली गई. ही पास्ड ऑन द बॉल टू रियाज एट द टॉप ऑफ डी. उसने वो बॉल रियाज की तरफ पास की, आगे बढ़ाई. एट द टॉप ऑफ द डी. What is D? D, it is the peak point on the ground near to the goal net. So a player is able to goal for their team. So as you can ever seen at football match that there is a net and there is a D marked on the ground. So it is the D part of the ground is very very near to the basket, so a player is able to goal for their team. Riaz hit the ball very forcefully काफ़ी ताकत से, but the goalkeeper of Jamkhana Club caught the ball without any difficulty. So Riaz make effort, but the goalkeeper of Jamkhana caught the ball without any difficulty. बग़ैर किसी मुश्किल से उसने वो बॉल रोक ली. गोलकीपर, गोल रोकने वाला. गोलकीपर to hurdle the goals of the opposite team. The player of both teams were very active. The ball was taken from one end of the ground to the other in a flash of time. बॉल को ग्राउंड के एक कोने से दूसरे कोने तक ले जाया जा रहा था in a flash of time, very quickly, in a very quick movement, more quickly, in a more so all the teams were active and they were moving the ball from one end, एक सिरे से दूसरे सिरे of the ground के एक सिरे से दूसरे सिरे तक बहुत जल्दी ले जा रहे थे. Shaukat Mufti, the center half of Jamkhana Club. Center half. First of all, we will know what is the meaning of center half in a game. Center half, it means defense player who plays in middle. So a player who is playing in the middle of the ground, so it is termed as center half. Center half of Jamkhana Club was a very experienced player. That is why he was playing in the middle. He made many dangerous moves, but Wahid and Aftab did not give him any chance to score a goal. The first half ended, but there was no goal from either side. The first half, there are 2 halves in a game, the first half and the second half. In between there is a break. So the first half ended without any goal from either side. During the second half, the game was very fast. The center half means, as I explained it earlier, the defense player who plays in middle. So the center half of Chaman team, Nematullah, got hold of the ball and gave a fine pass to right in. And he gave a fine pass. Pass means rasta dena, to right in, to the right side, to Muhammad Ali. He dodged the full back of Jamkhana Club with a forceful kick, scored a memorable goal for his team. He dodged. Dodge, he was doing tricks with the ball. He dodged the full back. The full back means the players of Jamkhana. He dodged the full back of Jamkhana. He was doing tricks with the ball and he was dodging the full back, the players, the whole team of Jamkhana Club, and with a forceful kick scored a memorable goal for his team. Memorable यादगार गोल उसने अपनी टीम के लिए किया. The players of Chaman team were very happy. The spectators, तमाशाई देखने वाले, were also clapping their hands. After 10 minutes, Ikram scored another goal for his team. So, the Chaman team scored the Chaman team scored for his team. Now coming to the second paragraph, the players of Jamkhana Club tried their best to equalize the goal. Equalize बराबर कर दे the goals को. Their right in Zahir with the combination of Nazir succeeded in scoring a goal for his team. So the Jamkhana Club also scored a goal for his team. Succeeded, कामयाब हो गए in scoring goal for his team. This goal gave a new courage to the players of Jamkhana Club. इस गोल ने जमखाना क्लब के खिलाड़ियों को एक नया हौसला दिया. They became more active and tried to put pressure on the opposite team. दूसरी टीम पर, मुखालिफ टीम पर दबाव डालने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. In the last 5 minutes, the captain of the team shot the ball so forcefully that the full back of opposite team was unable to save his hand from the ball. In the last 5 minutes, खेल के आखिरी 5 मिनटों में, the captain of the team shot the ball. He kicked the ball so forcefully that the full back means the players of the opposite team were unable to save his hand from the ball. Thus, the Jamkhana Club got a penalty kick. Thus, the Jamkhana Club got a penalty kick. Penalty kick. What is penalty kick? Penalty kick is a free kick to the goal of the team whose player committed a foul. Foul means जब आप कोई cheating करते हैं, when you cheat in a playing strategies. The penalty kick was converted into a goal by Sohail. After a few minutes, the referee blew the final whistle and thus the match ended in a draw. After a few minutes, referee blow, bajana, blew second form. उसने बजाई, the final whistle, इख्तितामी सीटी उसने बजाई, and thus the match ended in a draw. Draw means बराबरी, और मैच बराबरी के मुकाबले पर ख़त्म हुआ. So the result of the football match was a draw. There was a draw between the two teams. They goal equally. Now coming to essay number 9, a railway journey. A railway journey is an interesting experience. Last month I was invited by my friend to attend his elder brother's marriage at Multan. I decided to go there by train. I booked my seat in first class compartment and waited for the arrival of the train. First class compartment. Compartment means a separate section or a separate block or a separate cabin और एक अलग से कमरा. So and waited for the arrival of the train और ट्रेन के आने का इंतज़ार किया. After waiting for half an hour आधा घंटा, the train arrived. A large crowd means लोगों का हजूम was present on the railway station. I entered the compartment with great difficulty. Why he entered the compartment with great difficulty? Because there was a large crowd. It was 10 a.m. when the train started out. Train ravana hui. Very soon it began to catch fast speed. So in the starting, the train runs slowly and after that it got speed. So very soon it began to catch fast speed. It was running through the green fields, Sabz kheton. The farmers were busy in work. I enjoyed the sight nazara, view of the fields and rivers. Trees and fields looked running backward. दरख्त और खेत ऐसे दिखाई दे रहा था जैसे वो पीछे की तरफ जा रहे हैं. At 2 p.m. the train stopped at the station. Here I had some burger with a cup of tea. There was a lot of rush on platform. The hawkers and the vendors. Hawkers means फेरी वाले जो हाथ में चीज़ें फिराकर चीज़ें बेचते हैं. And the vendors and the salesmen were selling the food stuffs खाने की अशिया. Soon the train whistled and all the passengers got into the train. Whistled जैसे ट्रेन की सीटी बजती है ट्रेन स्टार्ट होने से पहले. इट whistled to call all the passengers to get into the train. At every station some passengers left the train, but at the same time the same number of them entered. एट एवरी स्टेशन हर स्टेशन पर पैसेंजर्स कुछ मुसाफिर ट्रेन से उतर जाते हैं, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम लेकिन उसी ही लम्हे द सेम नंबर ऑफ देम एंटर्ड उसी ही लम्हे उतनी ही तादाद में लोग उस स्टेशन से वापस ट्रेन के अंदर दाखिल हो जाते हैं. आफ्टर ट्रैवलिंग फॉर 10 hours 10 घंटे मुसाफरत के बाद आई वॉज डेडली टायर्ड बहुत बुरी तरह से थक चुका था. आई विश्ड मैनी टाइम्स बहुत दफ़ा मेरी ये ख्वाहिश रही टू रीच माई डेस्टिनेशन अपनी मंजिल तक पहुँच जाऊँ. डेस्टिनेशन मीन्स मंजिल. एट लास्ट माई डेस्टिनेशन केम एंड इट वॉज इवनिंग व्हेन आई रीच मुल्तान. My friend had come to the station to receive me. The journey was really enjoyable. It added to my experience and knowledge. I shall never forget this journey. So, the railway journey gave him experience and knowledge, and he enjoyed it a lot. Now coming to activity, your activity is that you have to learn essays. All 3 essays you have to learn it. And you will get notes for all of your essays also.